Ho ho ho. Hello Kate. Hello Beth. Hello Carolyn. Say, Dan, Kevin, Sean, Nicole, Sarah. As the head of Jolly Gifts, I wanted to thank you for being a loyal customer.
I know that was super creepy, and you're probably thinking like, Oscar, what's going on? Why are we watching this? Well, what if I told you that creating all of those videos and 100 more was possible in less than 10 minutes with only the click of a button? If you're in the software industry, you probably made or received one of those videos that have a whiteboard with your name using Vidyard or Loom to capture your prospects' attention and drive more business. The fact is that creating so many of those videos takes a lot of time and effort, and it's crushing to see like the video that you put a lot of effort behind simply ghosted by your prospect. So I'm gonna show you an easy way to create multiple personalized videos in minutes. You'll be able to customize the name, the logo, company, and any other information that you might have stored in your CRM to create more compelling videos and drive more views. So let's get started. For this, you will need the following: a Synthesia license, a free Zapier license, a CRM with the information from your contact, and an email service provider, either like Gmail or Outlook. So first, go to synthesia.io and create a new template. Copy your script and personalize your avatar and the background and the graphics, making sure to leave room for the variables that you want to change. In this case, I'll use a variable for the name, the logo, and the company of the contact I'm sending this video. If you have more information stored in your CRM, you can personalize this even further. We're gonna go to zapier.com and we're gonna connect HubSpot with Synthesia, making sure that we use the trigger of adding new contacts to a list and that the variables from Synthesia take the information from your contacts in HubSpot. You can see here we're using the name, the company name, and the domain from HubSpot. Then we're going to connect Synthesia to our email provider in order to create personalized emails for them. I'm going to quickly create an email template that will encourage them to click on the video. Then we're back in HubSpot. We'll add new contacts to our list that we determined in Zapier, and we'll see how Synthesia automatically starts creating new and personalized videos for every person in our contact list. It's important to note the action that we chose when connecting Synthesia to Outlook, since we decided to create a draft template rather than sending the email directly. This is important because we want to QA the videos and the templates before sending them, at least the first couple if you're sending it to a massive list. Another thing that I want to show you is like here in our CRM, we have a lot of different fields and information that we can use to personalize the videos even further. For example, say if we want to create a different set of personalized videos, thanking people for downloading a specific ebook or template, we can pull that information directly from the CRM and have it trigger whenever a user or a lead downloads the template to receive this personalized video with information that is relevant to them. So I hope you found this video helpful and it helps you save a lot of time in your daily efforts, whether it's marketing, sales, or just for the fun of creating personalized videos. At The Compass Video, we want to help you create better videos to engage with your customers. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know.